On our way to Porto, we stopped at Nazare. This place is very famous for surfing with big waves here in Portugal, and we stopped in a good spot to see the beach of Nazare. Today there's no much of big waves, but there are some waves, but not big for surfing as it is famous for. And we're enjoying this great, beautiful view here in Nazare. It's not a beautiful weather, it's very cloudy, it's still cloudy today unfortunately, but it's still very hot with some nice breeze. And we're enjoying here after the adventure of our morning with the tire. And hopefully we continue to Porto to stop there for today and enjoy the rest of our day. An update from our adventure van life in Portugal. We drove to Geres, the north of Portugal. We went to Porto, as you knew before that I told you went to Porto. I decided to have a day off from vlogging and enjoy my time in Porto with my friends. Porto, I have visited before, so I didn't want to make any vlogs there. That's why I decided to do no vlogging in that day. So if you haven't seen any Portugal videos from my YouTube channel, so make sure to check them out from Porto, because I already did some vlogging over there. And now we have been driving since this morning. We arrived in the area of Gerez, and now we are at the granaries of Sao. I think that's how it's pronounced. I will write the name obviously as usual on the screen, so you would know the place. It is very beautiful, very greenery here. The weather seems it's not that cold as long as we are up in the north, and there's a lot of view here, green, and we're stopped in this area, and there are these structures here. I think I need to read about these structures. We just stopped here and because we saw this different kind of structure, so we stopped. It's a touristic area, it's very popular it seems, and it's surrounded with nature. So thank you for watching all these videos as usual, and we're going to continue our trip in Gerez with our van. Stay tuned over there. Cheerios! we are in our home, in our van. I just noticed when I stopped vlogging to welcome you to Gerez.
Sorry.
This annoying noise of the reverse in our van. I just noticed that I am still sleepy because on the way to Gerez I had a nap. Here's the pillow! But I'm trying to wake up, so we enjoy the time here in the nature of Gerez.
هواك على جنب. لا تفايت This van is on fire. Combat. لك مشاربين عنده الشتاء داخل على الماء يديك الريحة Then cooking lunch. For lunch we have pasta with
Pesto and olives.
pesto and olives. No, why أنتو خزم.
Alright, they took over my vlog. So, we stopped our first stop here in near the river
Boca Roca.
Poca Roca.
Poco negro.
We have
It's poco negro.
Poco Negro.
Poca Roca. Soon we're taking you to Puerto Rico. Yeah.
Capao.
Okay.
Poco Negro.
Poco negro.
Poco Negro. Okay, so we stopped here and we decided to cook because we are all hungry,
Starving.
starving, and we are just parked in the road here.
In the background you can hear
In the background, we can hear wildlife, and it's a beautiful area here. It's starting to rain a little bit, and so we are in the van cooking the pasta here with our special recipe. We have olives, onions, garlic, and olive oil, pesto, almonds, and this is our lunch for today in the van. And we're going to enjoy this lunch, and then we're going to head down to the waterfall to see the waterfall in much more closer. Let's eat!